morning, children. Shubh Prabhat. I am P.L. Misra. On behalf of Education for You, is going to discuss about speech, that is narration, part 4. In previous chapter, we have already discussed about the repeating verbs were in present. Repeating verbs were in present. And what reaction we felt there if repeating verb will be in present or future. There was no reaction in case of sequence of the tense. That means here is he says, and that is intransitive. He says, I have told you. Transitive, I have told you. He says to you or somebody else, or X says to Y. That has already been discussed, and today we are going to discuss about the repeating verb is in past. What effect is coming in case of repeated speech? That today will be discussed. And at first I am going to pronounce it, and you are sincerely, mindfully write it down one by one. Let's come here. Direct speech. X said, comma, with an inverted comma, I do this work today. Indirect speech. X said that he did that work that day. Direct speech. X said to Y, I am doing this work now. Indirect speech. X told Y that he was doing that work then. Next one is direct speech. X said with an inverted comma, I will go to Cuttack tomorrow. Indirect speech. X said that he would go to Cuttack next day. Direct speech. X said to Y, I can do this work myself. Indirect speech. X told Y that he could do that work himself. Direct speech. X said it may rain today. Indirect speech. X said that it might rain that day. Direct speech. X said to Y, I have done this work here. Indirect speech. X told Y that he had done that work there. Direct speech. X said, I have been staying here. Indirect speech. X said that he had been staying there. I hope you all have written it. Let's come here to discuss. I have already told you the complementary sequence that you have kept in your mind. If you have not kept in your mind, then over and over again you keep your view on previous chapter, on which you can get the formula. Tomorrow, that will be next day. Yesterday will be previous day. The next day will be the following day. Ago will be before. Now will be then. Here will be there. Hither will be thither. Then by this way, I have already told you, I have already taught you on previous day. But today we have to discuss what reaction is happening here and what the changes or what the sequence of the tense is being changed here. Let's come here. Here X and Y both are person identified here, and I have stood here X as a person, Y as a person. Let's come to here. and how the reaction is happening, we have to see. First formula that I am telling you here, what formula will come here is in reporting verb. Always keep in your mind, whenever we are going to change direct to indirect, here main role is reporting verb. There will be no any change. If we convert direct to indirect, the reporting verb in which tense or the sequence will never be changed. And as per a formula, we have to find here if reporting verbs are in past and reported speech are in present, future, or any modal, then what reaction is happening? Here only the reaction, that is complementary verb, complementary or the sequence of the tense will be changed. And let's come here to discuss. X said, comma, within inverted comma, I do this work. Here, indirect speech, you recall your mind, it is intransitive. X said, that's why it will descend here. X said that. I do this work, then it will be I instead of Y. It will be in indirect version. I will be he. He do was there. He did. This was there. This will be that. Work today was there. Today will be changed into that day. But here, if it is in past, if this one, that means if the person is in past, in reporting verb, and in reported speech is in present, then while we are going to change this one into indirect speech, then what will happen and what reaction will come here? Then it will be complementary tense. I do will be did, and this will be that. That is where it will happen. So once again, I am repeating this one. X said, I do this work today. Indirect speech, X said that he did that work that day. X said that he did that work that day. Next, let's come here. Direct speech, X said to Y. It is transitive. I have told you, instead of said to, we have to write there told. That's why here in indirect speech it was or it will be X told Y. That as conjunction will come here. Here in case of a direct speech, it was I am doing this work now. In case as per formula, then the complementary tense will happen here. That means I am doing instead of Y. I was in direct. In indirect, it will be he. I am doing this work now. It will be he was doing that work now. It will be then. That means X told Y that he was doing that work then. Let's come here. Direct speech. X said intransitive. X said not transitive. X said intransitive, comma, within inverted comma, I will go to Cuttack tomorrow. The same thing will happen in indirect speech. X said, in indirect speech, it will be X said that. No comma. Comma will be removed and that introduced here. And I was in direct and it will be in indirect. I will be he. I will go to Cuttack. Then it will be he complementary form of will, that will be past complementary past of will, that will be would. That means I will go to Cuttack tomorrow, then it will be he would will, past is would, he would go to Cuttack. Tomorrow is here, then it will be instead of tomorrow, it will be next day in indirect speech. That means X said I will go to Cuttack tomorrow. In indirect space, X said that he would go to Cuttack next day. Let's come here. X said to Y, I can do this work myself. Same thing as per formula, it is transitive version, said to, instead of said to, here told will descend. That means X said to Y, it will be X told Y. Then let's come here. I can do this work myself was in direct. In indirect, conjunction that will come. I can do this work. That means direct. I was in direct. In indirect, it will be he. I can do this work. Then it will be he could do. This will be that. That means he could do that work. It was myself. But in indirect version, it will be himself. That means I am reading it once for again. He said, X said to Y, I can do this work myself. But in indirect space, X told Y that he could do that work himself. Let's come here. X said, it may rain today. X said, comma, within inverted comma, it may rain today. It is the process of writing in case of a direct space. But whenever will come in indirect space, here is intransitive. That means X said, you have to write X said that. Conjunction that will come as per formula. X said that it may rain today. Make a past, that is might. It might rain today was there. It will be that day in case of indirect space. Once again, I am telling this one. X said it may rain today. In indirect space, X said that it might rain that day. Let's come here. Direct space. X said to Y, I have done this work here. X said to Y, I have done this work here. I have done this. Indirect space, I have told you, it will remain in inverted comma. And before, comma will put here, will be established. That way, the process is, there is no negative process. The process followed as per the formula. X said to Y, I have done this work. In indirect space, X said to Y, it is transitive. You recall your mind. X said to Y instead of said to, told will descend here. X said to Y, that means X told Y. That conjunction descended here. I have in direct space. It was I have done this work here. But in indirect space, that is I indirect is he, and have, that is complementary past of have, that is had. I have done this work here. In indirect space, he had done this work, that work, here, there. That means, once again, I am reading this one. X said to Y, I have done this work here. In indirect space, X told Y that he had done that work there. He had done that work there. Then let's come here, direct space. X said, comma, with an inverted comma, I have been staying here. I have been staying here, present tense. I have been staying here. In indirect space, it is intransitive. That's why X said will be X said there. In case of, as per formula, complementary tense will come. That means I have been staying here. In case of, that is direct, in direct was in I, and indirect it will be he. And have, the past form of have is had. That means he had been staying there. Once again, I am reading this one. X said, I have been staying here. In a direct space, X said, I have been staying here. In indirect space, X said that he had been staying there. What did you understand here? Here, we reached in understanding position that we found in direct speech. The direct speech are based here on your past tense. Reaction is happening in case of reported speech. The reported speech, the sequence of the sentence and the sequence of the tense has been changed according to principle. What the principle? If this one is in present, it was all these are reported speech are in present, and reported speech are present, and modal verbs and present verbs are here. That's why the happening, the result is the reaction is happening here. The reaction, what reaction is happening? That means the complementary tense, the complementary statement, the complementary or the complementary sequence of the tense is happening here. That means X said, I do this work. X said, it is past, repeating verb is past. That's why it is present. As per formula, it will be do was there, it will be did. And here, as per formula, here was in direct speech, here was will. As per formula, it will be would. Here direct speech, it was can, and as per formula, it will be could. As per formula, here direct speech, it was in may, in indirect speech, it will might, and direct speech, it was have, in indirect speech, it will have. That means only one today and 3 days before, I have told you in first cases, there was present and future. There was a present future in a reporting verb. In reported speech, we found present, past, and future. First formula, we found present, past, and future. During that time, if that one is in present, reporting verb is in present, there was no reaction. But here the reaction is coming. What reaction? It is based on past. That's why the reaction is coming in case of a reported speech. It is number 2 formula. You keep in your mind, if all these reported speech are based on present tense, then I am not telling about past tense. Only I am discussing about present, future, and modal. Present, future, and modal that we found in direct speech. Direct speech we found present and reported speech. We found in reported speech present, future, and modal. How it will be changed? The modal will change by this way. That is complementary verb, complementary sentence, and sequence of the tense is based upon the reporting verb. Yes. That is all about my teaching. I hope you all will have write it and exercise it. This is for advice to you, and I hope if anybody likes my teaching, do subscribe and share their friends and relatives.